Okay, welcome to Spreadsheet. Okay, today we will learn how to format our spreadsheet. Okay, first let us start by merging a few cells here. For example, uh, list of orders. We want to merge the cell. So click B3, the cell B3. Click and drag to until H3. After that, click the button merge and center here. Okay, then the list of orders, the header for this will be centered and the cells from B3 until H3 will be merged. Then we do the same steps for the cell B25 until cell E25. Click and drag here. Okay, click and drag. Okay, click and drag. Then again, click the merge and center. Total. In this case, we want to this total to be aligned right. So click the align right here. Okay, next we want to merge the price table J3 until L3. Click the merge and center, then it will merge and center. And also for total number of order, click and highlight from N3 until P3. Click the same button merge and center. Then it will merge the cells and center the text. Okay, then next we want to adjust the column for each field or cells here to be fit with the data inside the cells. For example, column B here for num, we want to make it fit to the cell. So you just double click, okay, the cell, the B column here, until you see this symbol, and you double click it, okay, like this. So the same for the other columns. For example, here the name is column C, so you double click it. Okay, so we'll expand to fit with the data inside the cells. So the same thing for the other columns, D, E, F, G, H. I is a blank, so never mind. So J, K, L, M also blank, so never mind. N, O, and P. Okay. Next, we want to put the border for each cell, and then it will look like a table. For example, we click the B3 here and highlight until the end of the data here, and you click the border, bottom border here, and choose all borders. Okay, choose all borders. Then it will put the border for all lines, all cell. Okay, same from the price table here. Highlight the J3 until L10. Okay, go to the border and click all borders. Okay, the same thing for the total number of order. Okay, click and drag here and click all borders. Okay, then next we want to put colors for the header of each table. For example, here for table list of order num, okay, this header, we want to put colors for it. Then choose color here, fill color. Then in this case we want to choose a green color, so put a green color. Okay, then we want to make the font here for the header to make it bigger size. For example, we want to make it size 12 and bold. Okay, you see the columns here, it didn't fit the cell here, so you from time to time you can double click the column. Okay, so make it the header or the cell fit to the data. Okay, and for the price table also the same things. We want to bold it and make it 12 size or the font, and also the color we want to put the blue color, for example. Okay, the size here can resize. Double click it. Okay, click. Okay, so the total number here, this table, you want to put the color for the header here. For example, color yellow color, this one. And put it a bold font and choose font 12 for the what we call the header. Okay, double click it to make it the data fit to the column. Okay, so this is how we format our worksheet, spreadsheet. Or one more thing, we format the total here. Want to make it bigger size, 12, then bold it. Okay, then maybe you want to put a green color. Okay, just put green color. Okay, so that's how we, okay, quantity here didn't fit the match the cell, so we double click it. Okay, if you don't want to double, you can also click and drag up to your according to your needs. Okay, you can click and drag, okay, up to your needs. If you need a better space, then you click and drag. Okay, otherwise you can make it smaller. Okay, if you want to make it smaller, what happened to the header here? It will apa nama, makan sebelah. Okay, so what we can do is to we highlight the header and click the wrap text. Click the wrap text. Okay, same this for price table. Click wrap text, and also for the total number of order here, click the wrap text. See what happened. Okay, so you see here the total order here will go to the next line. Okay. Okay, so to make it a more representable table, we can highlight the table. Okay, highlight this table and also highlight this table. We can choose more than one cells by using control key on the keyboard. Okay, for example, you select the list of order table here, select right here, then you want to select this table, you click, you press the control key on your keyboard, okay, and click the price table and drag. Okay, the control key you still press on it and click the total number of order and drag. Okay, that's how we select more than one cell or different cell. So we want to make it middle align, so we click on the middle align. So you see that the table, the header here, it will align to the center and align middle. Okay, and also if you want to make it your header more space, you can click and drag here so that it will have more space, so it more presentable. Okay, that's how we format our spreadsheet. Okay, one more thing. Let's say you want to align your cells. Let's say you want to middle and center align of your cells. You can click again. You can select the table by pressing the control, hold the control button on your keyboard. Okay, you choose the table and you click here the middle align and also the center. Okay, middle align here and the center here. Okay, do not click this one or this one or this one or this one. Okay, make sure you activate the middle align and the center. Okay, so let's say the name here is not more suitable to be left aligned. So you highlight, you click and drag until the last name, then you click here the left align, align left, click here, then it will also go to the left align. The other, you leave it as a middle center align, middle center align. And also, if you want to make it more presentable, you can choose, for example, this table. You can choose and select the thick outside borders so that you can see your table have a thick border. Same as this table. Choose thick table, and here choose thick table. Okay, and then you can see thick table. Or maybe you want to add the for header, you also want to tick border, so you click tick border here, one, the one, total number, tick border. Okay, so it will differentiate. This one also tick border, please order, price, and also the total number, tick border. Okay, so now your table looks like more presentable. Okay, by using the formatting, changing the size, changing the color, okay, changing the style, bold. Okay, so that's all for formatting the tables. Thank you. Bye.